We have Samsung S20 Ultra, which someone tried to put a new screen, and after putting the new screen, the touch stops working. So I'm gonna show you here. So that's just the battery connector I put in, and then turn it on. So this is Samsung S20 Ultra 5G. So this one is also from one of our dealers, which he tested with another known good screen, but still the same problem. Touch is not working. Okay. The problem is the screen is very not bright enough because touch is not working. We cannot put, but you can see, I think, yeah, came and no touch. Samsung phones, there is very less information available, so most of the time on Samsung and newer phones we have to work with our experience. So first thing I would like to check is what we can find under the microscope. I will put you to here. Okay, the first thing I would like to check is I don't see any broken FPC connector, so the next thing I would like to do is to check if there is any shorted capacitor. Nothing. This is resistor. This looks like, no, this is also cap. Okay, let's make a closer look. Okay, get my tweezer. Okay, this is what most probably is the problem is. So this is resistor here, this is another resistor, and most probably this being pulled out. Do you see here, guys? There was something here because I can tell how the pads are. See here, there's nothing here. Here something is pulled out from here. It looks like either these two are the same component. This is resistor, this is resistor. It looks like either these two. So there is a resistor that missing from here. I do not have any donor board, otherwise. So now the problem here is to find out what was it. I will just check here what is. Maybe it's usually if there is one component, the other one is the same. It looks like these two are the same. So we have to find out what component was it, and if we look at using G here, this is G series. So this one is G S20 Ultra 5G, is model number is G988. We do not have G988 here. Okay, so I will get back to you in a minute. I have to find what information we can find about S20 Ultra. So we have got a little bit of information. Okay, I will show you here. Okay. So these are 3 levels of repair I have found. I actually bought these. So let's go here. Okay, this is Samsung S20 Ultra service manual, and we have to go somewhere where we can find a layout of the board and figure out what component was it which is missing. So this is a little bit different than the board view or schematic diagram. On this service manual you will find the component, their name, and very less information like what those components are. So we will keep going down where we can see any board view. Okay, I should have somewhere. So that is okay, not this one. So this is sort of a schematic diagram they will give you. From the Samsung. We don't. Oh, okay, this is what we are looking for. This one here. So these are the different level of. Now we don't need that. I think we can find what component is it from actually this diagram here. Okay, so I have to figure out here. Okay, not this one, but I think this is the one which we can. The orientation of my board is like this. Yep. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, I will show you here. So I'm trying to get the same orientation from the manual so that we can figure out what component is it which is missing. Okay, so this is the area where we are looking. So as you can see, these are C14033, C14032, and 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 resistor, and then we start from here. First one is the capacitor, the second one is our resistor, and the piece which we are missing is a filter. So L filter and inductor coil. So inductor is a filter, controls high voltage. If beep good, no beep, it's not good. Now we know a little bit of information that we have, that it was not a resistor. It's a L inductor or fuse. So I will just do a jump wire and then check how it's go.
So is it, do I just need to give you $10, take one of those trees and give you $10? Yeah. I can do that. Yeah. There you go, thank you.
So only solution I could find is this. I don't know what the value is, but should be okay. Oh, come on. Yep. That's okay. Now the next thing I would like to, let's give it a little bit clean. And hopefully it should work after that. Yep, that's good. Hopefully it should work now. Okay, and the battery connector. I wish all the repairs should be that easy. Sometimes. Okay, you can't see. Yep, that works. Now I'm gonna put the password which I just received.
1 2 3 4 5 Yep, that's all.
Yep, touch is working now, but I will
How can I call you this number? I mean, how can I contact you?
put the brightness up.
Yeah.
I don't think, because brightness is, maybe you can't see well. Okay, and display and brightness. As you can see, voila. Okay, and touch is working fine. Phone is back to life. It's all good. Okay, there is a bit of dot here. Maybe something on the screen could be here. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.